It's something men don't really like talking about. Let's call it what it is. Erectile dysfunction, ED. It's not a fun thing to talk about for guys, but you know what might not be a more fun thing to talk about is how to take care of it. Pills?
Hmm.
Who wants to take pills forever? Injections? It emotionally kind of hurt me a little just saying that, just hurt a lot. But our next guest can help you if you have ED.
That's right. Sean, it hurt me to hear you say that, and I don't even have the same parts. By the way, women are not always comfortable talking about this, but today we're just going to lift all those reservations and get real comfortable because Andrew Reinhardt is here. He is an experienced medical technician with Boost Medical Clinic, and he is here to help us all. Andrew, great to have you on the show.
Hey, thanks for having me. And I loved that introduction. So, when it comes to erectile dysfunction, men have been using the pill for 30 years,
Yeah.
and they can tell you all about the side effects, the headaches, and the blurred vision. Now, Boost Medical Clinic uses something called acoustic wave therapy,
Hmm.
FDA registered device, clinically shown to open up and regrow blood vessels. So, we're finally treating the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction, and we're getting guys back to normal and natural function, keyword spontaneity, back into the relationship.
That's good.
Oh,
That's good.
yeah.
Yeah, because
This is amazing.
there's something that's probably a little bit of a buzzkill. Be like, hold on one second. I know you're. Let me just go get a glass of water and over it, and then you have to deal with the ramifications of that for a while. So this the fact
Potentially.
that it's spontaneity and its fact it's supposed to work the way it's supposed to work is fantastic. I think people think of ED as an old person thing. It's not really the case at all, is it?
Mm.
It's not the case at all. We have patients in their 20s every day in the clinic. We have
Wow.
patients in their 90s every day in the clinic. So this can happen to anybody. And I will say this, if you're out there listening and you think you're maybe too young, you have some function left in the bedroom, that's actually the easiest time to fix this.
Yeah.
We can very likely get you back to 100%.
Excellent. And so, speaking of fixing, let's delve deeper a little more into the details of the treatment and what it does to kind of, revive things and get you functioning like you used to be.
So it looks like an ultrasound machine. It's a handheld device. It would be placed on the skin in our clinic. A treatment is about 10 minutes. This is really easy.
Mm.
What it's doing is it's delivering pressure acoustic waves into the blood vessels. That causes them to expand, soften up, and regrow. This whole process is called neovascularization. Basically, we're
Mm.
improving blood flow. You get the blood flow going
Mhm.
where you want it, when you want it, and we eliminate the erectile dysfunction.
This reminds me a
Mm.
lot of the hair regrowth as well. Having a
Mhm.
certain wavelength hit the hair to be able to kind of get it to reactivate. Same with this. This is a sound wave, the same sort of idea, just to get the blood vessels going again and say, "Hey, come on, work for yourself here." Are there any side effects to this though?
There are no side effects. That is what is so cool is the pill, the headaches, and the blurred vision. We know that. There has never been a reported side effect. We're talking 10 minutes for a treatment,
Mhm.
no downtime, no recovery time. This is non-invasive. Those gentle pressure waves go in and you barely feel it.
Hmm.
Well, that sounds very promising. Hey, listen, safety comes into play, especially when we're talking about an area that's as sensitive as this is. What kind of clinical studies? Give me a little medical background on this treatment.
There have been extensive clinical studies done on acoustic wave therapy. You could go to the science page at boostmedicalclinic.com, but let me give you a preview. How about
Mhm.
Cambridge? Cambridge has tested this technology. They put a bunch of guys through the treatments. The success rate was very high. They said safe and effective. The American Urological Association, they call them the AUA, they tested 600 guys with this technology and they called it revolutionary. So
Wow.
we know it's safe, we know there's no side effects, and we know, I mean, I think groundbreaking are good words for this because it's a scientific breakthrough.
No question about it. Let's talk about the special offer that you have right now. For any of the gentlemen that are watching, are like, all right, enough's enough. 2020 doesn't have to be the worst year ever. Maybe we can turn this thing around a little bit.
Yes.
What do you
Maybe
have for us?
something great can come out of this.
Absolutely. We know ED is a sensitive topic. So if you're out there struggling or your man is struggling, call us now.
Mhm.
We are going to take all of the negatives out of this. We'll do the initial assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound to check those blood vessels for damage. Totally free. Plus, we're going to throw in a little special gift. It produces instant results in the bedroom. It is free to everybody that picks up the phone and calls right now.
It is great having you, man. Great stuff. I love
Andrew, thank you for sharing.
Using technology and not using medicine to mask, but to fix the problem in the first place is the whole point. Andrew, it's great having you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
All right, take advantage of that special offer. You can get it right now. Free exam with a medical doctor, including a free ultrasound blood flow evaluation and getting that special gift that will cause instant results in the bedroom. You want to get in on this? Well, you can call 702-710-5000 or go to boostmedicalclinic.com. Boost Medical Clinic, a proud sponsor of The Morning Blend.